Hi Adrian, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi. Thank you for having me, brother.
So I think first of all I have to congratulate you. Though Tikka Singh has a very small role to play in Ashram, but people are loving it. I'm seeing all the social media responses. So how has been the response for you?
Yeah, it has been overwhelming. I hadn't expected this kind of response to Tinka Singh's character, man. To be very honest, I knew from the very beginning that the role was small, of course, in the show. But it was a very important character in the show where, because of him, Baba gets the youth that he wants for his popularity. And of course, the entire, the huge reason for me to do the show was that I was getting an opportunity to work with Prakash Jha. I had two great songs in the show, so I said, चलो यार ठीक है एक एक्टर के लिए एक सीन ही काफी होता है. But I didn't know that people are going to give me this sort of response for Tinka Singh. It's unbelievable. My messages haven't stopped. Touch wood, and I've been very blessed, yeah, that people have loved it. And अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है, सिर्फ 4 दिन हुए शो को. And if you go to my Instagram, you see my timeline. There are hundreds of messages on Tinka Singh, and the good part is, I guess every cloud has a silver lining. I guess now people want to see Tinka. They're like, भाई Tinka अब कब आएगा वापस? एक तरीके से आई थिंक एक एडवांटेज हो गया कि मैं शो में जो है कम वक्त के लिए था, तो लोग उसे और देखना चाहते हैं. सो थैंक यू टू ऑल द व्यूअर्स आउट देयर यार फॉर लविंग टिंका सो मच.
So of course you said that you always wanted to work with Prakash Jha sir. So how was this whole experience to be on the set with him?
The experience has been phenomenal. I mean, I keep telling people, I'm not sure if everybody knows this, I have a sister, Prakash Jha, when I was 17, when I had just come back from the New York Film Academy being a director. And Prakash ji was the first person who gave me a job. और आज मैं प्रकाश जी के सामने, जो कैमरा के सामने जो है काम कर रहा हूँ, और प्रकाश जी ने मुझे इतना बड़ा मौका दिया. I'm always eternally grateful. It's still a dream come true for me to be able to work with one of the maestros of Indian cinema. He's done such wonderful work in terms of being a director, and now he's an actor. He's as versatile as my father. So I look up to him कि उन्होंने इतना कुछ अचीव किया है अपने लाइफ में, और मुझे मौका मिला उनके साथ काम करने के लिए. सो जस्ट वेरी थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल टू प्रकाश जी. आई हैव टू मेंशन दिशा झा, जो उनकी बेटी है, जिन्होंने मुझे रेकमेंड किया प्रकाश जी को. फिर मेरा ऑडिशन लिया गया और फिर मुझे रोल दिया गया. सो दिशा, अगेन थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कंसिडरिंग मी फॉर दिस रोल.
Right. So now Adrian, you have been in this industry for 12 years. So as an actor, and you have done web series, films, as an actor now, what attracts you when you take up a project?
I have, of course, I want to do big roles. I want to do good roles. I think हमारे industry में आज, and for me, I think it's very important. When I look at a character, it has to give me goosebumps, or it has to excite me. कि अगर मैं ये करूँगा तो भाई, I'll be able to give it something. And in the past, it has happened where I have gotten certain characters where I've felt I'll be able to do something with them, but I haven't, because they haven't been etched well. The good part is that it's very important for me to be able to work with such maestros like a Prakash Jha, who is so good at building character arcs. There are the characters, they have arcs. It's not one dimensional character. Tinka Singh is not one dimensional. He has his own sort of arcs to it, and it's very important for me to be able to work. I think directors are very important. Directors are the ones who write good roles, and of course the directors and writers, two most important pillars of a web series or a film or whatever. So it's very important to give them all the due credit out there.
Right. And of course, what's happening next after Tinka Singh as in Ashram? Where do we see you next?
I hope so. A lot of things happen. Yeah, I mean, as you very rightly said, I've been in the industry for the last 12 years. It's been a long journey. It's been the struggle is still there. Of course, Tinka has been loved, but अभी रास्ता बहुत लंबा है आगे, और बहुत कुछ अचीव करना है लाइफ में. लेकिन unless and until I don't get the right kind of opportunity, मैं वो शायद अचीव नहीं कर पाऊंगा. तो मैं ये दरख्वास्त करता हूँ जितने फैंस हैं, व्यूअर्स हैं, जो इतने बड़े तादाद में अब बाहर आ रहे हैं और सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. आई होप दैट the right producers, the right directors give me the right kind of roles, so that I'm able to get the right platform to showcase my talent. If I have any, people think. But also, my music has done well for me, so I'm taking my music forward. My next single comes out now on the 8th, which is on the 9th, which I will be announcing in 2 days, which is called Befikriya. And then I have written a film, which I've been writing for the last 2 years. I've co-written a film called Airport, about two emotionally wounded people who meet on a flight from Bombay to New York. It's a beautiful coming-of-age film which I've written. So I will be announcing that with a big producer soon. And then I'm in touch with somebody for another web series. So let's see now that I hope that works out. So there are a couple of things, and I will also be announcing my musical album called Suffer, which is about my journey in the last 12 years, what I've been through professionally and personally in my life, and that will be coming out. So I'm doing things. I'm taking one day at a time. I'm taking one step at a time. I've been here for 12 years. It's been tough, but it's been wonderful as well.